I'm starting the video with the back of my broken phone. Never ever buy a cheap mobile stand. If you don't want this to happen to your mobile, please don't buy a cheap mobile stand for your bike. This is the mobile holder which I used earlier. Um, I will show the stand which is there in the bike also. I will tell about this stand also. This video may be a little bit noisy with background noise. I am not giving voiceover. I have a lot of YouTube videos to upload, but I don't upload it because it has a lot of editing to do. This video I'm not going to edit because this is important. I want people to know what happened and what can be prevented if you buy a quality mobile holder. Half of the mobile holder is still in my bike only. I haven't removed it yet. Oops. Yeah. So this is the mobile holder which I was using yesterday. It is full metal. This is metal, and the part which will come here is also metal. I'll show you. It is clamped here to your rear view mirror, and this is still strong. So mobile did not slip off from the holder. Holder itself broke. I'll tell you the story what happened also. But please don't buy cheap ones. This I'll tell you the full story. This one is 250. I bought this in Chennai, near Mount Road, a shop called 7M. So they sell weird products, like some will be really cool and some will be like really weird also, but they sell it in wholesale. So this is the first holder I bought from them. This is probably 150 or 200, fully metal. It's really good also. Even I was using this before I bought this one from the same shop. So if I had used this, probably it wouldn't have slipped. I had this mounted in the rear view mirror, but still it was kind of loose, so it used to turn when I ride. And this bike does have a lot of vibration, so I when I bought this one, I bought it from the same shop, thinking that it will be like this, of somewhat of good quality. Even that is metal, both are metal. But the problem is, phone did not slip from the holder. The holder itself came off. There was kind of a spring over here to attach these two, so that it will help you to turn this part. So probably that spring came out, and then this whole part fell down along with the mobile. You can see this, how much damage this one took. Thank God this was metal, and then it was still holding my phone, so the holder took all the damage and phone still shattered. You saw the back, but screen was kind of good. So in that case I was lucky. I was not even the bike was not even going beyond 60 probably, but before that I was riding in a really bumpy road. So probably at that time this thing got loose, and then when road was clear, when I started to ride, and then this fell off. So yeah, I have even told the shop name. It's 7M. It is good only, but this product is not. If you're buying a phone for 30 or 40k, I would suggest that you please spend around at least 1000 to 1500 on a mobile stand, or else it is better not to use a mobile on a bike. Well, I do use it for navigation. I am in a totally new city here with don't know much routes over here, so I do use it for Google Maps. But the mistake I did was I bought a cheap priced mobile holder. Even the quality is still good, but that joint, I did not expect that to happen. So same goes with the helmet. When you're riding fast bikes here, most of them have KTM, Dominar, everything. When you ride fast going moving bikes, I would recommend you to use a really good helmet, like at least starting of 4,000 or 5,000. I did not know that helmet costed or existed beyond 1,500 before I bought this bike. A guy in the showroom only suggested me to buy a good helmet. Same goes off with the mobile holder as well. So, so buy a good quality mobile holder and then use it. Even I was thinking of using this one because it is still good only, but I don't want to risk it again. Seeing the cost of the replacement parts, the screen, the back and all, it is fine to use a holder which is 1,000 or 1,500 bucks. Bobo is really good. The first time I saw Bobo, I was thinking why are they selling a mobile holder for such a high price? But after something happened only you can realize that it is necessary and it is useful. Sorry for the bad quality of the video because I have not edited or added background music, cut anything. I can do it, but if I decide to do it, it will just lay around the other 10 or 15 videos which is there in my laptop. So I don't want that to happen because this is important. I thought it would never happen. I thought I would never break a phone screen or something, but it did happen. That's why they call it accidents. So it is better to be prepared and use a good quality phone, that phone holder. That is what I wanted to share. I will try to upload more videos, but I can't assure it. So thanks for watching.